Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix translate button not showing on Google Docs. Okay, let's get started guys. I have opened my file in my Google Docs, and if we want to translate document, usually we need to go to the tools and then the translate option will appear right here. But here, as you can see, that there is no translate option, so we cannot translate this document. And why this can happen? That's because this format is in Microsoft Word format, and if we want to translate document using the Google Docs, we need to convert from Microsoft Word format to the Google Docs format. And I'm just going to copy all the text right here to my Google Docs file, and then here I have prepared for it. Wait. Okay, I'm just going to copy this document and then I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, and then now the format has been changed and I'm going to check it. I'm gonna go to the tools and I'm going to select the translate document. As you can see that the translate option has appeared in this document, and we just need to tap on that, and I'm just going to name it translation. Okay, and I'm going to select English. For example, I'm going to translate it to English. Oops. Okay, and then just click on translate. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix translate button not showing in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.